Hi everybody, today just looking at the park, looking at the nature, looking at what God is doing, seeing the birds flying, seeing the flowers, and God is telling us, see how He takes care of the birds, see how He takes care of the flowers, see how He takes care of everything. If He can do it, how much more we, the children, He will certainly take care of us. We just need to trust Him. We just need to love Him. We just need to do our part. And He will come through for us. How beautiful the nature is. Today is a beautiful day. We are at the park. God is good. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Don't lose hope. If God can take care of these flowers, these birds that are flying, He will definitely come true for you. Just don't lose hope. Just run back to God and He will fix you. Run back to Him and He will fix every situation. He will fix you. He will forgive you. He will take care of you. It's not that hard. Just make up your mind and ask for help. If He can care for the flowers, for the birds, He will care for you. Yeah. If He can care for the flowers, for the birds, He will definitely care for you. So let's try and run to God. Let's try and walk closely with God. Let's try and depend on Him. He will care for us. He will care for me because I am His daughter. If He can do it for the flowers, for the birds, He will do it for me. Alright, see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.